Hello, hello, hello. Thank you for inquiring on this beautiful 2014 Ford F-150 XLT in black. All right. Follow me. Let me show you some of these features right here. All right. If you can look right here immediately, you notice the chrome wheels. You have the chrome strap bar. All right. And this is also an EcoBoost engine. This is the most fuel efficient F-150 on the road. All right. Interior colors. Looking at a great interior. Dark black carpet. Really easy to keep clean. All right, we have the bench front seats, right, and in the rear, and abundance amount of room back here. All right, you can reach me here at Tameron Hyundai. My name is Bell. All right, the number is 334-435-9366, and here at Tameron, you'll love the way you're treated.